And while the war on terror dramatically increased funds for basic equipment, troop recruitment, and overseas contingency operations in Iraq and Afghanistan, those wars were very different than what's taking place in Ukraine. Today, it's about heavy weaponry to fight Russia's tanks and planes, rather than the frenetic counterinsurgency operations that centered on agility and intelligence gathering analysis rather than sheer firepower. Now, all of a sudden, after decades of buying limited quantities of heavy armaments, the U.S. suddenly has insatiable demand for almost any quantity of these weapons. In the intervening 3 decades, though, the factories that built them were wasted and dissolved, leaving America's defense industrial base unable to cope with demand. And that's not a failure of industry, but rather of the Pentagon's approach to the private sector.